summer skincare isn't just about sunscreen. My nighttime routine changes as well. So I move from a cleansing balm to a cleansing oil, and I swap out my tretinoin for something a lot more gentle. Hi, welcome back to Glam Pam. I'm Pam, and on this channel we discuss life, makeup, skincare, weight loss, anything that will help us live our best chapter after 50. So, join me today as I discuss why I change my nighttime skincare routine in the summer. As I said in the intro, the first product that I've changed is a cleansing oil. This is the Super Facialist cleansing oil, and I've swapped this out for my Elemis cleansing balm, which if you've been here for any amount of time, you know I absolutely love that product. But in the summer, I want something lighter. I still want an oil because I want it to dissolve sunscreen, makeup, mascara, anything like that. And a cleansing oil will do that. It's easy to rinse off. It's just lighter. I feel it's easier in the summer, and that's why I've moved on to that. I still will do a double cleanse. At the moment, I'm using the Murad Resurgence cleansing cream, which I really like. It's again like the previous cleanser that I was using before by Estee Lauder. This cleans your skin really well. It's very frothy, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped. So the Resurgence line by Murad is a retinol based line, and you'll see as we go further along in the video that there are other products that I use from this line because I've stopped using tretinoin for the summer. So let's talk about that. Why would I want to stop using my tretinoin? I've been faithful to it for many, many years. But the reason I stop using it in the summer, I just put a pause on tretinoin for the summer because I respect the fact that the sun's rays are so much stronger in the summertime, and tretinoin does make your skin sun sensitive. And although I do wear sunscreen factor 50 every day, I'm very, very cautious. I'm very mindful of the fact that I have melasma, so I'm very cautious with what I do to my skin. So in the summertime, I still want retinoic action, but I want something a lot gentler. So that is the reason that I put a pause on the tretinoin for the summertime. So going back to the skincare routine, the next step after cleansing is, as usual, my Gatineau Collagene Expert Hydra Essence. I showed this in a previous video. I'm still loving it. It's a beautiful product, very, very hydrating, and this contains plant-based retinols, but very, very gentle, not strong, not really anything that would cause me any concern. But it also contains niacinamide, ceramides, peptides, so everything that helps my skin barrier to become stronger. And that's the reason I love this product, aside from the fact that it leaves my skin feeling really well hydrated in the summertime, and in the morning I wake up with such smooth glowing skin. This one is a keeper. So following that, I will then put on my Resurgence Retinol Resculpt Overnight Cream. I use this almost as a moisturizer because I have so much hydration from the essence, and in the summertime I want my skincare to be really simple, really easy, so I use this resurgence. This is my Retinol, and I love this because it is powerful enough to still give me the skin cell turnover, reduce wrinkles, and keep my skin really smooth, albeit not as strong as tretinoin. It's very gentle, but it still does have some action with it. I follow that up with the matching eye treatment, which again contains retinol, but this is specifically made for the eye area, so it's much lighter, much gentler. I love this whole Murad line. I find that it has made my skin clearer. It gives me glowing skin. My skin tone is a lot more even lately. It's not purely down to the Murad. I think it's a result of all the steps that I've taken within the past year, 2 years, trying to really take care of my skin. And I have shared with you in previous videos the devices that I use, the skincare that I use, the tretinoin. All these things come together to give me this glowing skin that I have now, which is so much better than it was in my 40s. The final step in this summer nighttime skincare routine is this face oil by Dr. NassifMD Restore and Firm Face Oil. I really like this. It's a light oil and it comes with a dropper. You don't need much. As you can see, it only takes about 3 drops. 3 drops is enough for your face. I'd put maybe 5 or 6 if I want to go down to my neck as well, but it's a very light. It doesn't really have much of a fragrance, but it's a firming oil, and I really love it. I find it hydrating, I find it firming, and again, as I've said so many times before, skincare to me is more about the routine, the slowing down of the pace, ending my day on a good note, concentrating purely on taking care of myself. So that's my skincare routine for the evening in the summertime. If you would like to see my morning skincare routine, please just leave a comment, let me know, and I'm more than happy to do that for you. But in the meantime, I would like to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And if you did, click that subscribe button, like, comment. Let's build a community here. I've had so many people join my channel in the past few weeks, and I'm so thankful for that. But I'd like to get more into a discussion with you all and really build a community. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.